do I make an NFT? Like explain it from scratch, assuming I know nothing about technology, but I like to draw, for example.
Yeah. So it's actually really easy, and that's where there's a lot of scams, right? And I'll talk a little bit about the scams. I think we kind of glossed over that a little bit. But when it comes to NFTs, you can go onto OpenSea and you can upload like a picture. For example, I can take a picture of anything, upload it as an NFT, and then people can buy it. That's how easy it is. It's like literally uploading a YouTube video. But then like no one's going to want to buy that because there's no utility next to it, right? There's no community aspect to it. So people are going to get smart with NFTs. They're going to know that I don't want to own an NFT. I want to own an asset. That's how that's going to happen. That deed, I don't want to own like some shack. I want to own like a house, and I want to rent it out. So that's kind of like where we're going. We're kind of building out this metaverse as we go.
So NFTs are going to be like custodial services. Okay, got it. Very cool. Very cool. All right, great.
Yeah.
So all right.
Sorry. Right, real quick, Chris. There are scams though. So when it comes to OpenSea and Solana, I just want to mention two things because I want to make sure that like your audience understands you don't get scammed.
Thank you.
So there's a scam right now going around in the Ethereum blockchain and OpenSea. Is that if you get an airdrop, so everyone has a public address. If you get airdropped a NFT in your public address and you click on that NFT and then you accept it, a smart contract gets initiated and then dumps your wallet and then sends it over to a anonymous user.
How can they do that if they don't have your private key though?
They have your public key. And the public key, you can send a NFT, a non-fungible token, but with it, remember, NFTs are a utility. They're not just a JPEG. So that NFT is embedded with a smart contract. It's a code that when it's executed, kind of like plugging it, a perfect example is plugging in a USB into your computer and there's a Trojan horse. That's what it is. There's like a Trojan horse within that NFT that just says like, I want to transact, automatically transact and send it over to like my wallet. The other is Solana on the Phantom wallet. To compete with bots, they did an auto transact. And so this auto transact like automatically transacts for a specific transaction. And the transaction can be anything. So if a website has like some sketchy website or anything like that, can have the Phantom wallet integration and automatically transact, and it can put something in you real quick, accept it, and then send it all over to another wallet. So you have to be very careful. Like I told you, this is a very dangerous world. I'm here, and that's the reason why I'm creating the Game Report. And under Game Report, there will be an education section that's still building it up. But it's taking ties from Binge Learn. But the beginner is out right now. So there's a 1 through 8 lessons. And that 8th lesson right there is kind of wallet security and how not to get scammed.
Okay, so you go to your website, gamereport.io, scroll down education. You can learn more about how to not get scammed. Okay, great.
And education will always be free on that website.
That's awesome.